Okay, look at that view. I had to share it with you. That's God's beautiful earth right here. I mean, this is a slice of heaven right here. So I'm working on this house today. Today I'll be working for 4 or 5 hours, and then 2 days next week. Hopefully I can get 4 days. It's just so cold here. That's the guest house. Check it out. But I'm working on this. He had a new addition built. All this was new, so I'll be painting all the hardy board, all the white trim, all the ceilings, the post, and then downstairs too. I'll be painting. So, but yeah, it's a nice place. I gotta get my sprayer set up. Well, actually, it's his. He bought one like I got, and But anyway, good to see you guys, and hopefully God's watching over all of us who are watching this. You know, it's the only reason you're watching it, God. So, but I got a nice view today. This is my office. I mean, what an office, huh? I got to put my sunglasses on, but check out that office. Look at that. Man, that's my kind of work right here. So I know a couple of days next week, maybe 2-3 days. I'll be here next week, so this will be my office next week. Look forward to these kind of jobs. I mean, just can't get no work done, though. I keep looking at it. So that's the view every morning when they wake up this bedroom. So anyway, say a prayer for a country, pray for each other. God bless you.